Hey, what the hell is this? You're recording, you get your ass kicked. Oh, yeah.
Look at Armani running away.
I'm fucking tapped. I got hit off.
This is so funny. You guys have booty shorts. Look at David's face. Look at Geet's face. Oh, you can't see it because it's in the ground. Oh. Oh, look at Geet. I was about to say underwear, but it's not showing anymore. Oh, now it is. Haha. Oh, you guys have to kiss. Oh, get it out. Oh my God!
I can't see.
Geet's actually putting up a fight. Oh my God! Oh my God! Get off the cement. No cracked heads. Oh my God! Okay, David's in the orange and Geet's in the gray. Okay, but they're both wearing red shorts. Oh my God!
Help your boy.
Hey, restart this, because I got it in the middle, okay?
I'm fucking tapped.
So you guys can get like a breath. Oh my God, look at his legs. Oh my God. You can tap. This is too much for middle school. Well, David's in high school, but like, Geet.
Oh my God, look at his knees.
That's just
I'm
right.
tapping.
He tapped.
He's tapping.
Wait, start over.
I did pretty good.
Wait, start over.
He said I did pretty good. Are you bleeding?
No.
Oh.
Wait, start over.